every fan has a side and every side has their own opinions. Today we're on the social side, and this is where our football fans will be giving their hottest takes on some football opinions. Now, I'm your host, Jenae Robinson, the sports girly, and of course, I have to introduce you to my lovely panel.
Alright, something that I would permanently ban in football has to be racism. We have seen it so many times. We've seen the likes of even Daniel Alves getting even a banana thrown at him. That is a monkey, right? Tired of it. We see what it's doing to the players, and nobody like racists, right? So we need to delete that. Finish it.
Bandwagonist, I feel like you should have some dignity, some loyalty, some brought-upsy.
When I like hydration break, yeah, take it out. Yeah, waste time. Yeah, as much as you give about the time, we don't want it. Yeah, slow down the game, momentum and break. We don't want hydration breaks, yeah? Wait till you get kicked down, then the medic come on, you collect one bottle and you drink some water, but no hydration break. Cut it out.
So now you know our panel, but it's time to get into the meat of the matter. And I'm going to present them with some questions, but guess what? I have the responsibility to give them the red card. So, without further ado, let's get into it. First question, panel. Fans are switching teams mid-tournament. What do you say?
Red card.
Yeah, that's a no-go. You can't do that.
Yeah.
Bandwagonist.
Yeah, you can't.
Yeah, that's just crazy.
You need to have some kind of standard.
Loyalty.
Some kind of moral.
Dignity.
You need to have a abiding city. Yeah, man.
Quick brought-upsy.
Yeah, you can't just you start this and then you gone this up. No man, you get flippy floppy.
Well, you've heard it, and I agree. That deserves a red card. Second question, Ronaldo should be on the bench.
No red card.
Ronaldo for up on the bench still. No, like, he must slow down the ball game.
Fans out there are going to be hearing you say the statement, and they're going to be like, this guy is crazy.
Listen, under the same, Cristiano Ronaldo. He don't really have him not have the mobility, him not have the swagger. You see me, him lose form.
What Ronaldo bring to the game, and not only to the game, but even for Portugal, I don't think that nobody in that team can replicate. So even if it's not a full 90, give him a 60 minutes or a 50 minutes and then say, all right, Ramos or somebody else, come on.
There's no way you expect him to still perform at 41.
But here's my rebuttal. You not give nobody else like a good time for shine because he want to take the spotlight, need a transition.
No, but that's not on him, better upon the coach. The coach will say, all right.
Here's the thing, guys. I think we could debate on this on ends, right? But I want you guys in the comments to leave your thoughts as to whether you feel like Cristiano Ronaldo should be on the bench. And let's just have a discourse there, right, guys? Because we can't stay on this forever. Yeah. Next question. Brazil's aura is bigger than their actual performances. This one is a little bit touchy.
Yeah, man, Fox one.
No more Jogo Bonito.
No bonito.
As a Brazil fan,
Brazilian.
I must unfortunately agree with what you guys have said. You know, it has been a little.
Yeah.
It's not what we're used to, right? So, fair is fair.
Fair is fair.
Fair is fair.
Okay, next question. Germany is no longer a football superpower.
Oh yeah, definitely not.
Excuse me?
Yeah. No, it's not.
No, I can't answer that.
No, why would you say that?
Hold on. This is a red card.
Yeah, man, red
I
card
may
for
be
me.
saying this biasly, so don't come for me in the comments. But I don't think that they've lost their superpower. I need to defend that though.
I mean, not because we didn't make it out of the group stage in 2018 and 2022.
Okay. Continue.
Can't relate.
Pardon.
But I feel like we're finding our footing now. We have younger players, and I believe in them. So I don't think we have lost our superpower.
Interesting.
Supporting a team and not knowing all the players, does that deserve a red card?
Yes. For me.
Samoya, I have to disagree. I know I don't give my opinions in this game, but right now I have to give I don't know all the players on the team,
You
but
can
I know
at
football.
least name at least 5 of the players.
No, but you said-
Of course.
Yeah.
Of course, but
When you
have
say
some person-
all the players, what do you mean? Like
I mean-
22? Or just like the
Or
starting
just the
11?
regular starting
let's say
level.
the starting 11.
And we're talking about like within a World Cup.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because sometimes, if I'm being honest, they bring players from all over different leagues and them thing there. Some of them you don't know because them play locally.
But that's
And-
up to you to research on them.
I mean,
Yeah, but
yes.
the average fan is not gonna.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, so,
She
yeah,
said
so-
We
God.
are football fanatics.
Alright, it's up for me still. I don't
I'm
think.
standing on it.
Alright, but now I'm gonna give him a red card, and here's why. It's international football and club football different.
Since Samoya is so right and bright in her answer, since you support Germany, I want you to list the starting 11 for the Germany team.
Sip some water.
Manuel Neuer, Jamal Musiala, Nathaniel Brown. Let me start from the top. Hold on. Jamal Musiala, Nathaniel Brown, Kai Havertz, Leroy Sané, Nathaniel Brown.
That's 4.
Jonathan Tah.
Okay.
Who's in our back again?
Tick, tock, tick,
You want to
tock.
That's 6.
Shut up, back.
Oh yeah. I can't pronounce his name.
Kimmich on the right back.
Joshua Kimmich, thank you.
Right,
yeah.
I'm having stage fright, guys. Who's our CB?
I mean, by her standards,
I
we should
know
give her
all
a red
of them.
card.
By your standards, I think we should give you a
Give
red
her a
card.
red
But
card.
good try. All right, guys, let's go on to the next question. You can change teams mid-World Cup.
Red card.
Why? No.
No,
Red
I'm an.
Listen.
It depends because for
card.
me personally, I'm a German, right? But for example, say Haiti and Scotland playing, I'm going to go with Haiti. So I feel like you can change mid-game.
Or is that because they don't come out?
Wait, you said mid-game?
Mid-World Cup.
Red card.
I change mid-game.
Red card.
Come on.
So to them Asian, tomorrow might be, it depends.
Red card.
The World Cup is more entertaining than the Champions League.
Yes. Wait.
Guys, think about the context
When I
of
said
this
red
World Cup
card,
as
what
well.
does red card mean now in this? Means that it's
Do
not
you support the World Cup
being
either
more
being
entertaining.
more entertaining?
Of course. Of course, the World Cup is more entertaining.
Yeah, I agree.
So that's a no red card. And the reason why, a lot of players, especially when you see them, this event comes every 4 years.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And
Yeah.
every year.
Yeah.
And the man them a play for them country. You know what I mean?
pride, the passion.
Yeah. Them a play for them country, them fellow
Yeah.
man. You know, them mother, them yard, them
Yeah.
sister, them auntie, cousin, brother, dog. Everybody were in other country. There. So it's a more
Yeah.
All right. Messi fans, we talked about you made mention of Messi, Joel. Okay, so Messi fans are worse than Ronaldo fans.
Oh,
I'm
no.
No.
Red
gonna
card.
tell them to not
No.
attack me, boy.
Red card.
Okay,
Red
okay.
card.
No.
Red card. Red card.
That Messi fans?
Yeah, red card. Red card. Red
As
card.
in,
Let's debate about it. Samoya.
I'm a Messi fan. We're not worse than Ronaldo fans.
Yeah, that's why red card.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
For the
that's why
statement.
red card, yeah.
Okay.
You
yeah,
do?
for the statement. No, I'm up on him side because Ronaldo.
Okay.
Yeah, Ronaldo fans, them kind of.
Them
Oh,
delusional.
delusional.
Yeah,
Bro.
them very delusional. You know what I mean?
Whoa. Don't come for me.
Yo, man, I gotta tell me, say, them man, they have more Instagram followers, so that's why I'm a better wall than them. Bro, that madness.
So, Jamaica, in fact, did not have the easiest chance to make it to the World Cup.
So, guys, me I go head out. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Take my time, that free. Because when me is a strict, Straight red card.
Easiest chance they had.
Straight red card.
Easiest
I
chance.
agree with everybody, you know.
What do you say? Here
Easiest
too.
chance.
Truth is sometimes.
Pain.
They'll never get an
Anger.
opportunity like that. 2038, we'll try again.
You could have
2038
just
will
like
make
you
it to the
never
World Cup.
have it.
Me never born 1998, you know. And them tell me about pot cover. Them tell me say people in the stadium a cook. We don't know how them say people did a cook in the stadium, right? From morning people there and the vibes and energy did right? Now we get the chance now. Me didn't want to go in the stadium go cook too. Me didn't want to do something to me. Didn't want to say,
Pot
yo,
cover.
tell my youth say, yeah man, me see Jamaica go World Cup and them do this.
The US,
group-
they're right there, so, you know, bro.
I
Like,
mean, for us.
a flight, people start to look on flight and say, all right, we sure we are reach, bro. We sure we are reach. Them say it's a swoop. Them say swoop it up. And the pot turn over. Bun we up. Gone.
Boy, guys.
I have to agree.
I know this one is a touchy subject. This deserves
still
a red card.
traumatized.
Traumatized still, right?
Yeah, I'm still traumatized.
But I think we'll come back stronger from it. We just have to continue to support the boys and the girls.
2038.
Yes. All right, the last question. Unpopular opinion. Which underdog team do you think will make it further than most people think? I'm going to start with Joel.
how underdog are we talking? Like, you know what I mean? Because, all right, so, is Sweden considered an underdog?
It's your opinion.
Yeah. You're not like the top.
The top. It's not like it's not like Germany will come out of them group.
Brazil.
That's what you mean? Okay. Jamaica, I'm so sorry. No, but I feel like Sweden have this thing where I think their attacking line connects well with each other. I feel like that's gonna be a good thing for them, you know? Yeah. I see teams where, it seems like, but them not really mesh so well.
Yeah.
But how them mesh, it's very surprising to see, especially if you know, say, yo, well, I don't remember seeing them play all the time, but I feel like them have a good shot. You know what I mean? For sure.
So Sweden is one, Swift.
All right, so coming into the World Cup, I was going to say Ecuador. Boy, Ecuador lose them first match in a 1-0.
That don't mean nothing. Argentina did that last time.
So, would you consider Colombia a underdog team?
Colombia is a good pick still, you know.
If you would consider Colombia underdog team, then I'd say I think Colombia definitely have a fair shot still to go far in the World Cup.
I would say Japan, even though they knocked us out, you know, but I believe they have a fear.
You believe it? So
No, I'm
Japan.
still traumatized from the 2-1 in 2022. No, I'm not okay. But I
And
feel
it's
like they have a
watch
fair
match again.
chance.
Watch over the match, you know. Nah, straight, yeah.
I feel like they have a fair chance.
Well, guys, you heard the opinions. You said
Trauma is
Sweden,
not for
Yeah, I
life.
feel like Sweden.
Colombia,
Yeah.
and Japan.
Yeah.
Now tell me, I'm sure you guys had fun. This panel, you guys are exciting. Thank you for joining me today on this social side, because every fan has a side and I want to know what's yours. You're gonna want to stick and stay to our YouTube series on TVJ, and we have a lot more in store for you. It's the World Cup.